Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm go ahead to introduce our new products on my right hand, this tortilla makers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length, the depth is about like a 15 and 3/4 inches, about a 9 inches wide, and the overall height, including this handlebar, it is about like a 24 inches tall. And for the center of the diameters for this pan, it is about like a 9.5 inches. So as we can see, the units, they come with sliding tray at the bottoms. You put a fresh new dough at the bottoms right here and press it and slide it out and change another one. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.